Today, we're going to be learning how to create group assignments in Canvas. So first, we're going to head to the Assignments tab. Next, we're going to create an assignment. Now, groups can be added to existing assignments as long as none of these students have submitted work. If the students have submitted work, the group function will not work properly. So either create a new assignment or you can add it to existing assignments with no work submitted. We're going to be creating a new assignment. So now that we have our title and our description set up and the rest of the assignment is set to your liking, we're going to go to the group assignment section. So we're going to toggle this is a group assignment, and there's this toggle called assign grades to each student individually. Essentially, this just does as it says and allows us to group students, and instead of normally assigning the same grade to all students in the same group, this will allow us to grade each student individually in a group. This will also allow each student in a group to submit their own work. When this is not checked, only one student in the group will be able to submit work. So now we're going to click New Group Category to create a group set. So we're going to name it Fruit Project. And we're able to use this group set throughout multiple assignments. There's no limit as long as you have the same students in the other assignments. So self-sign-up allows students to sign up for groups themselves and switch between groups at will. I recommend not allowing this because students can just switch around between groups and it can be very hectic. So now we go to group structure. So first we have the option to split students into groups. So this allows us to, let's say, split the students into two groups. So all of the students in our class will be divided into two groups. This section will allow students to be split into groups with a certain amount of students per group. So this would split students into groups with 2 students for every group. For this demonstration, we'll be creating groups later. That allows us to hand select the students that we would like to go into each group inside of our group set. So we're just going to save this assignment like normal. And now we're going to head over to the People tab. So right here, you can see our group sets. We're going to click on Fruit Project. So these are all of the students in our class, and these are all of the groups inside of our group set. So we're going to add some groups to our group set. And the group membership limit allows you to customize how many people you want to be able to go into the group. So we're going to set ours to 2. So you can click this triangle to view how many students are in each group. So There's a couple ways to add students to each group. We're going to use the first one for Stephanie, where we can just drag and drop into the group. Now, that's great, but it can become a little tedious when you have a lot of students. So if we press this little X right next to the student's name, we're able to add them to a specific group just by clicking. So now you can grade all of the students in each group together. But let's say there's a student who you wanted to grade separately. You would just need to pull them out and put them in unassigned students. That would allow you to grade the groups together and grade Stephanie separately. So now that we're done, don't forget to add your assignment to the modules. Thank you.